Hey people, it's your girl Karimi. I'm back again with a new video. As you all know, my aim nowadays and my interest is all about agricultural content. So today I'm visiting Olmagogo farm and I will be showing you around. I'll be showing you the animals which they keep and also the serene area, the views. You can see I'm down the mountains. You can see how the view is good. There is a river. I'm gonna put everything together for you to enjoy the views and get to visit Olmagogo farm anytime, any day, to get to learn a thing or two about the goats and the sheep, and also to get quality breeds from them, and also to buy their stock. You know, everything nowadays we say is agri-business. So come learn a few things that you don't know and you become a good farmer. So you are welcome. Come along, stay tuned, keep subscribing, and also let's always meet on this channel every Tuesday. Because every Tuesday I have a new video for you. Tell a friend to tell a friend and keep subscribing and also liking the video. You are welcome. Goat section where we are having the goat kids, and as you can see on my background we have the kids over there of different ages. So today I'll be taking you all around the farm to see the animals which are there and what happens in the farm. I'm giving you a few of it, so stay tuned and come with an open mind to learn. So keep following and let's enjoy Olmagogo farm in Naivasha. It's what the young ones are licking salt. That's salt hunt over there. Guys, as you can see, this is a plant I want to show you. From here, it has withered. You can see it is called a stinging nettle. I'll not be able to go close and look for a closer capture, because when you touch eat it, it itches your skin. It makes your skin to itch, but it is so good food for animals and also for human beings for consumption. It is okay. Actually, when it is dried and grounded into powder, people use it to make mukimo. For those who are Kikuyus, those who know mukimo, this is tafai. So it is also food for animal, but it is really hard to eradicate this plant because its roots are really, how can I explain now? But just know it is really hard to eradicate it, but it is good food for animals. At least I've gotten a closer picture. You can see they are eating. You can see this, the goats are eating. It's really a good food. Let me show you its roots. You can see how its roots are. So you are not able to eradicate it from your farm easily. You can see. Then just check these. Just check the plant. This is it. It itches. You can see how it is looking. This is a water trough, but it doesn't have some water. We have some ships over there. Let me zoom them.